RAAF Air multi-cell airfoil. Actually conceived in 1963 by a Canadian by the name of Dom Jalbert. Now RAAF Air airfoils are steerable. They have 2 layers of fabric, top and bottom, and they have vertical pieces of fabric that join them together, basically forming an aircraft wing. It makes it a lot more easy to manoeuvre, and they are used by the military, they are used by sporting parachuting organisations as well. Far more manoeuvrable and much better than the old round mushroom type parachutes that were used for many, many years, and that you've probably seen in films of D-Day, which is coming up very soon, the 80th anniversary. Right there has the Australian flag together with the Aboriginal flag. You can do different sorts of jumps here with these parachutes.
Get your cans in the air, get the kids in the air, get your cameras ready. We got smoke on. I'm ready, Tommy's ready. Technology to work the Australian Defence Force Academy. What I'm beginning this pilot's course number 199, even called the Snake Loop.
And we'd also like to dedicate it. Jonathan would love to wish his beautiful wife, Katie Aguilera, a very happy 30
around that you can collect here today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, they're about to go into the roll and then finish up with the cascade.
Look how close they are up there. This is hours and years of practice.
And a lot of trust.
Beautiful.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for your Royal Australian Air Force Roulettes.
When you are in trouble, that is the shape you want to see, ladies and gentlemen. And I know it's only too very soon. In fact, right now.
Come on, boys and girls, mums and dads, show your appreciation. Put your hands together for the Piper Cub Acts.
The British as well. And drag also help with fuel. 1942 with the RAAF. beautiful aircraft. As the O2 comes in now. Heaviest single-engine aircraft to come out of the Second World War. Again, the name Avenger, and if you want a cockpit view, Havoc tried to sink the American Pacific Fleet.
Today here at Central Coast. Fantastic, you're all here and you're all waiting and ready for the two fastest aeroplanes you'll ever see. But Matt, very happy to put a show on here this afternoon. Massive aircraft.
Piston engine production aircraft in the world.
Here we go.
Centaurus or the Napier Sabre engine, and a couple of alternatives. They took the whole centre of the There is a Hawker Tempest 2 just flying in the UK now. It has the same engine as the Sea Fury, but the wing is absolutely monstrous compared to this aircraft. The war actually finished before they could start mass production of the machine. They only eventually built just over 860 of them. It's not there. This is a cylinder inside the cylinder that goes up and down and rotates, opening the inlet and exhaust valve. Very, very complex. All 20mm Hispano Mark 5 cannons in the wings. It can carry up to 16 3-inch rockets, unguided rockets, each carrying a 60-pound warhead, or it can carry two 1,000-pound bombs, one under each wing, or up to a 90-gallon Imperial gallon drop tank on each side. Sea Furies with 3 different operational squadrons, incredible performance of your forward aircraft up to about 350 to 400 kilometres an hour. And what you're looking at there, you might say it's a model, but that costs as much as a good SUV. Not that Levi's wife knows. Painted in the marking for the 49 Spider Wing, Texas, and anniversary scheme. Again, this is not engine level aircraft flying. This is advanced. Want to know how to get modern aircraft flying or radio controlled aircraft? Go and talk to Levi and Jeff at Sky Aces Radio Control. They've got a marquee right in front of our commentary position. There's a gentle entry with a canopy up to the crowd, appearing from slightly behind, and then he will go in the middle into full afterburner.
There'll be a squat at the end of this 360-degree turn, followed by a wing level and then another squat for the downfall. Weapons bay door open pass. You'll see the internal weapons bay that the aircraft uses to maintain its stealth mode. Once those doors close, afterburner is in, and then another 45-degree squat, and he's then going to reposition for his next manoeuvre, which will be a fast pass. Maximum rate turn. This is also a manoeuvre that can be used in ACF, air combat manoeuvring.